Hello and good evening everyone. This is Khyati. Welcome to our channel. Today we would go through the iGate security system software that is developed by Kian Technology. This is the main page or the landing page of iGate security system. Okay, it is a digital security management that is designed and developed to manage security operations, access control, visitors, vendors, residents and guards, ensures real-time tracking communication all from one centralized platform. As we scroll down, you would see the different kinds of prices that are available with us. Different prices also indicate the different kind of features that are available in those prices. Now let's log in. We'll first go with the Supo admin, sign in with the credentials. Here you can see Supo admin is the highest level of control in the system. It is also meant for company owners or system owners who manage many societies. Like you can see the dashboard over here, society services complaints. On the left hand side, you can see number of tabs. You can see total societies, total users, monthly revenue, pending approvals, etc. Likewise, we'll now go to a different dashboard. We'll go to admin dashboard. In admin dashboard, it is particularly for society or complex. It is managed particularly for one society or complex, not the entire system. It is for society managers or property managers. Like you can see the total number of users, we can see it from here, the awaiting approvals, open meetings, number of defaulters, accounting, financial, purchase, security, parking, staff management. These are some of the tabs that are available as functionality in admin dashboard panel. Coming on to the third dashboard, that is vendor dashboard, that is resident dashboard. We'll quickly log in, sign in. We can here see the resident dashboard. This is particularly for registered residents living in the society. Residents can control any and track everyone who comes into their home. So here you can see the services, QR access, help and support, move in and out time, community feed, marketplace, property, so on. Coming on to the next dashboard, we have guard dashboard. The guard dashboard, as the name suggests, it's designed for security guards stationed at gates. It is optimized for speed and clarity and for at the checkpoints. We have here dashboard, guardian station, SOS emergency settings. Coming on to the next dashboard, we have vendor dashboard. Vendor dashboard, as per the name suggests, it is customized for service providers. The features that get included here is we can schedule upcoming scheduled visits, access any request, status of approval, and alerts for pending actions. How many people were contacted, how many vendor or supplies have been completed, how many have been contacted, how many are active, what is the total number of leads. You can also see the individual user, their schedule date, book time, update and guidelines. Coming on to the next dashboard and the last dashboard we have is individual dashboard. Individual dashboard. Name suggests It is for personal use. It is for a non-resident user. It is mainly for frequent visitors or household members who might want to visit their relatives or friends or cousin and want to have access or the granted permission at the station gate of the guard. This dashboard is particularly for them. They can see their services, the QR access, the property or investment, or to see any rental. If they want to have any rental apartment in that gated society, they can check or submit inquiry for rental agreements as well. All in all, it is an automated visitor log. It is mostly faster processing, reduced misuse of access. This software also enables better communication between resident and guards, also acts as centralized approval system, and reduces admin workload. Hence, it is more efficient than jotting down times and slots manually. Here we wind up our session for today. Thank you.